Okay, this video is going to be in response to Smokies blind taste test. I received my bottle of e-liquid. Smoky has it labeled with 3 X's. So I have no idea what this is going to taste like. Hopefully he didn't try to poison me here. But from the looks of it, it looks like the nicotine content is somewhat low because it's almost crystal clear. So I wouldn't imagine there's going to be really strong nicotine. So see what it smells like. It smells kind of like a potpourri smell. Yeah, definitely like some kind of potpourri, like I don't know, a flowery smell. Hope it doesn't taste like that. But I'm gonna vape it in my Ego with a drip tip and low resistance atomizer. So I will rate this for taste and vapor production and throat hit. So got a fully charged battery on here. It's a brand new atomizer, so hopefully I'll be able to get the full taste of what this is going to be about. Alright, so we'll vape it up. Wow, it's nasty, actually. Yeah, it's absolutely gross. It's definitely has that potpourri taste, almost tastes like a perfume, and like a baby powder type taste to it. It is not something that I would recommend to anybody. I definitely taste. Oh God, it's definitely got a bad aftertaste. I'm not really enjoying this at all. Let me try one more time. I'm gonna have to get the vapor production. Okay, so it has. Oh God, that's disgusting. It has very good vapor production. I just can't get over the taste. The taste is absolutely disgusting. It definitely, I taste a baby powder, and I taste a perfume, possibly a hint of cinnamon or something. I mean, I don't know who made this juice, but they probably should be shot because it's that nasty. Okay. Oh God, I don't even want to do the throat hit. It's definitely that gross. Alright, so this is for you, Smoke. The throat hit, it's not really there. I'm thinking there's not much nicotine in here, and that's probably why the throat hit's kind of weak. So definitely has a weak throat hit. Vapor production is very good. I bet you there's some VG in there. The taste is just absolutely hard. Smokey had asked if we would buy something like this. No, definitely not. I mean, it's that disgusting that I would definitely not buy this. If someone tried to give it to me, I don't even think I'd take it. I mean, it's really just not my type of thing. The perfume taste really like lingers in your mouth, and that powdery, like that baby powder taste, it's like kind of on my tongue. It's I don't know what it could be called, but nasty. Definitely nasty. Alright, Smoke, so there's your review. Enjoy.